videos. So I'm finally going to make the final project for BeebeeCraft. I will be using the vinyl and the clay charms. These are fruit clay charms from BeebeeCraft. I will be using fabric from my stash. I will also be using these heart brads from my stash. I'm also going to be using fusible webbing, which is this. This is going to bond the fabric and the vinyl together, so an iron is required. This is a template that I created. I Googled it and I tweaked it because I didn't like the bulkiness of it, of the original pattern. So these are actually free. If you want to tweak it yourself, you can. It took me quite a bit of tries to get it, to the way I actually want. And then I'm also going to be using these heart templates that I also created. I also want to mention that it took me a while to put this video together because I was having some eye issues, and to be honest, I wasn't really feeling well. At first the doctor thought I had pink eye, but it turned out that I didn't, so that took a while to figure out, and I finally went to an eye doctor that my daughter-in-law, my second daughter-in-law, had recommended, and she set up the appointment for me and everything. Thank you, Becca. So it turned out that I was having really bad allergies, and because I was in a high state of anxiety because I didn't know what was going on, and I was really scared, my vision was a little bit more blurred than usual, which I just found out that anxiety can cause blurred vision. So I mean, it was really bad. So BeebeeCraft, I apologize for the late video, but I had a medical emergency. Okay, so without further ado, let's put this together. Thank you for joining me today. All product links will be in the drop-down panel below. Let's share, be fair, be filled with love, and love one another. Take good care, everybody.